Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to stake your cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. Staking basically is buying and holding certain cryptocurrency for a certain duration of time and earning rewards or interest in the process. There are different ways you can stake your cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. We're going to go the easy way. Just come to all here and click on staking, and it's going to take you to the staking platform here. So right here you're going to see locked staking and DeFi staking. We're going to focus on locked staking for now. Locked staking, if you notice, has higher percentage interest rates or returns. That means for locked staking you can earn more compared to DeFi staking. If you notice, the APR here is quite higher on the different crypto products compared to DeFi staking. But for more information on DeFi staking, you can check out the video guide here and just read more. Binance provides some basic questions. You can decide to read more on how DeFi staking works. But for this example, like I said, we're going to be discussing more about how to stake your cryptocurrency on lock staking here. So for lock staking, you can choose any of the cryptocurrencies here provided here and decide to decide to buy or lock your cryptocurrency for a certain duration of time. Right here you're going to see an APR. APR simply means annual percentage rate. It shows the percentage you earn if you lock your cryptocurrency for a certain duration of time. You can decide to lock your cryptocurrency for 30 days, 60 days, or 120 days. That's after choosing the cryptocurrency you want to buy. It could be Tether, Ray, or whatever one you choose here. Right here there are 101 cryptocurrency products you can decide to stake in. So you can just go through the products and decide on the one. Let's say we want to stake Solana. For 120 days has a 19.47% interest you'll be getting. So if you choose for 90 days, you're gonna get 11. So it changes depending on the duration of time you want to lock your cryptocurrency. It's gonna change. So let's say for 90 days we want to stake our cryptocurrency on Solana. We'll just click on stake now here, and it's going to bring you to this page, log. So 90 days, you just enter the amount. Let's say we want to stake $1,000 of cryptocurrency. You enter that here. That's after you've deposited into your Binance account. So just click the amount you want to stake, and yeah, you get all this. Auto staking simply means after a period of time, the Binance platform will automatically stake for you without you having to do it by yourself. So you can decide to keep this on or off. For now, let's keep this off. So yeah, so it's for right here. It's going to show the stake date, the start of the stake date, and the value date. That's the expiration date of when your stake is ready. That's depending on the stake duration you choose here: 21 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 120 days. The interest period is daily here, and it's going to be added. The interest end date will be shown here, and redemption date, all is going to be shown there. After you're done with this, you can just click I have agreed and click confirm here. If this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and thanks for watching.